All right. So Scrimba challenge. I wanted to go ahead and talk about the challenge. I already finished it, but I thought I'd just go ahead and explain some things about it. So the challenge was to save the random meme URL in state. And the way we did this was by creating a new state of meme image and set image to react.useState. We can also just say useState and it'll work correctly because we're importing React and destructuring the useState. I think it's a method. So we're destructuring the method from where we get useState from. So if we console.log react.useState, I wonder what it is we get. So if we console.log this, we see that we're just getting okay, that doesn't really answer anything, but basically we're just destructuring useState from the React library so that we can use it here without having to go ahead and say react.useState. So after that, we have our state, which is the meme image, and our state is going to be the first thing passed through the react.useState parameter or argument, and that's going to be the Futurama picture. And then now we can take this meme image and down here, make it the src for this image container. And one thing that I thought would be, I guess I don't really have to do that. Let me see what that does. Okay, that's fine like that. So now that we put our src to go ahead and reference our useState, we went ahead and we created a function called getMeme. And getMeme will run when we go ahead and we click on this button right here. So this onClick will give us getMeme. And basically when we click, we are going to load up the meme data. So if we console.log meme data, we'll see what we get here. And meme data is just coming from an external file holding all of our memes. So when we go ahead and we console.log, we see that we get an array of objects, and all of these objects are a different meme. So when we go ahead and we iterate over all of them, we are going to use a random number, and we're going to get a random number by doing math.floor, math.random, and we're getting the length of meme data so that when we call the function inside of the inside of the state change, so the function, the second part of the puzzle when it comes to going ahead and changing the state is using this function. And this function is going to be used to actually change the state of the meme image. So now we can take the meme data, which is just all of these objects. We can pass the random number. So the random number will just get the length of the meme data and log out something random. And then we can get the .url. So the URL is giving us the src to the actual image itself. And then now this is changing the state of meme image. So the old state is Futurama by default. And then when we click get a new image, we get a new picture, and that changes the state. So we don't need the previous state because it's basically going to replace the current state, meaning that we don't actually need to hold on to the old state. So we wouldn't have to do anything like set meme image and then get the previous meme image and then trying to get that previous meme image. We don't have to do anything like that because we don't need the last part. All we need is a new URL that we can pass to our onClick function of getMeme. And when we go ahead and click it, we'll just get a whole bunch of different memes. So that was pretty much it for that challenge. Pretty easy, but my brain is just done with React for the day. Yeah, I feel like I learned a lot today and the challenges were really fun. I want to do some more challenges live, so I'll probably end up doing that, but that's pretty much it for the meme generator.